Hey, listen up. This is a quick one. I'm going to walk you through how to unban any banned WhatsApp account fast and simple. And I'm not going to give you one method. I'm going to give you two proven methods you can try immediately. If your account is temporarily banned, WhatsApp will show you a button that says send review. So if your account is permanently banned, that option will not appear, meaning you can't do anything from inside the app. Now let's get into the methods. Method one is best for temporary ban. So I'm going to scroll down to the description and copy the appeal I wrote for you in the description of this video. So open your WhatsApp app, tap send review. So I'm going to paste the appeal and submit, then wait normally within 24 hours. WhatsApp reviews it and restores your account. But if you want to increase your chance to get your account faster, you should also try the method 2. Now method 2, this is best for permanent bans. So this method also works for temporary ban, but it is especially powerful for permanent ban. So I'm going to go to the description, click the link to join my Telegram channel and download the app called Unbanned WhatsApp. It is not on Play Store. That is why I put the file for you in the Telegram channel. So go to the description and click the link. So after installing it, open the app, you will see the interface immediately. You're going to tap on unban method 1 or any other method. So you are going to enter your WhatsApp number, click send, and it will automatically redirect you to your email. So you don't need to edit anything, just click on send. That is it. Wait between 24 hours to 72 hours and most people get unbanned almost immediately. So if this method doesn't work for you, don't waste time at all. Click the video on your screen right now. I have multiple unbanning methods on my channel because permanent bans sometimes need more than one attempt. Try the method and keep stacking them for the fastest recovery. Click the video now. I will see you there.